Hello children, welcome back. Myself Sapna is here to explain you the last session of the chapter 4 subtraction, that is subtraction app. Dear children, before going to subtraction app, I would like to explain you where we apply subtraction in our daily life. We often subtract 1 digit and 2 digit number. Many times in our life we come across of doing addition and subtraction. For example, if we go to any shop, we buy things and pay the money. Suppose you buy a chocolate of rupees 75 and you have 100 rupees with you. You pay the 100 rupees to the shopkeeper. What does a shopkeeper do? Will he ask you to pay still more money? No. Instead, he will give you back the remaining amount. Here, the shopkeeper will subtract 75 rupees from 100. The shopkeeper return you back rupees 25. The subtraction is applied here. Let me explain you subtraction apps with an example. First, let me read the question. Varun has 34 marbles and his friend Ronit has no marbles at all. Varun takes away 18 marbles from him and gives it to Ronit. Find the remaining marbles with Varun. The question says Varun has 34 marbles and he take away 18 from 34. Take away is the word which tell us to do the subtraction here. And remaining marbles with Varun. They are asking us to find out the remaining marbles with Varun. These phrases tell us to do the subtraction. Now let us use the subtraction method. Draw a table of tens in one column. Write 34 minus 18. Don't forget to write the minus symbol in the box. First, compare 8 and 4 in one's column. Here, 4 is less than 8. So, we cannot take away 8 from 4. Borrow is done. Borrow 1 tens from tens column. 3 will become 2 tens and 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 8 is possible. Subtract it. The answer is 6. In tens column, 2 minus 1 will become 1. Therefore, the answer is 16 marbles. Now Varun has 16 marbles with him. Example 2. Let me read the question. Naman has got 95 chocolates to school for his birthday. He gives away 76 of them to his friends and teachers. How many chocolates are left with him? So we need to examine the question that Naman has brought 95 chocolates. He distributes 76 among his friends and teachers. Now we need to check how many chocolates are left with Naman. Let us draw a table of numbers, tens and ones. Here we write 95 minus 76 in the table. Now, number of chocolates with him is 95 and number of chocolates he gave is 76. We need to subtract with the subtraction method. Compare one's column. 5 minus 6 is not possible. Now, borrow 1 tens from 9 tens. Then 5 will become 15 and 9 will become 8. 15 minus 6 is possible now. We subtract 15 minus 6, we get the answer 9. And 8 minus 7, we get the answer 1. So here finally we get 19. He is left with 19 chocolates. Naman is left with 19 chocolates with him. Example 3. Let me read the question. Nayan have 38 sweet boxes in his shop. He sells 29 of them. Find the difference. So, the question is find the difference. Here, this phrase difference tell us to do subtraction. We need to find out the difference of 38 and 29. Now, let us draw a table of tens and ones. Write Nayan have sweet boxes is 38 and sweet boxes he sold is 29. Don't forget to write minus sign in the box. So here 38 minus 29. First, follow the subtraction rule comparing ones column. 8 minus 9 is not possible. So we need to borrow. Borrow 1 tens from the tens column. So 3 will become 2 tens and here 8 will become 18. Now 18 minus 9 is possible and it has been done. That is 9. 18 minus 9 is equals to 9. In the tens column 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, the difference in 38 and 29 is 9. The sweet boxes are left with Nayan are 9. One more example you need to concentrate, children. Let me read the question. There were 175 shirts in a carton sent to a store. 23 shirts were found defective and sent back. How many shirts are left in the store? So, let us do the subtraction. Number of shirts in the carton are 175. Number of shirts sent back, that is minus 23. Now we need to subtract. First check ones column. 5 minus 3. How much is 5 minus 3? Yes, 2. Then go to tens column. 7 minus 2. How much will be the 7 minus 2? Yes, 5. Then go to 100 column. There is no number to subtract with 1. Therefore, we need to write 1 as it is. It will be like 1 minus 0. We know if we subtract a number with 0, then the answer is number itself. 1 minus 0 is 1. Finally, we get the answer 152. Number of shirts left in the store are 152. Dear children, the phrases used in subtraction questions are take away, left with, difference, less by, reduce, give away. If you find any phrases of this type in a question, it means that you need to do subtraction. Thank you, children. Hope you all understood and enjoyed the subtraction app. This completes your 4th chapter, subtraction. Thank you once again.